Children, let.
So now that's our 4 different kind of taste: salty, sour, sweet, and bitter. So let's see. Can I do the still activity, Ms. Ruth?
Sure.
Okay. So now we're gonna have the activities called vocabulary Go Fish. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do 3 groups, and let me see. So Nelsie, count 1, Johnny 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the ones, please gather the ones here. The twos can gather here in the center, and the threes will gather here, will join here. You're number 1, right? Number 1. Sabrina, you're number 1 also, right? So can raise the hand number 1? Number 1. Okay, so yes, Miss Rush?
Oh, I saw.
Okay. So number 1, Sabrina, and also you're number 1 too, right? Giovanni, you're number 1. Which number are you? Okay, so 1. So remember your number: 1, 2, Johnny, 3, Anthony, 1, Sabrina, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So so number 1. Who's number 1? Raise your hand. Okay, you too, and also you're number 1, right? You're number 1. So now I want you guys to come on this side, please. Number 2. Who's number 2? Okay, number 2. Come over here in the center of the carpet, right in the center. Right here in the center. And number 3, you guys can be over here. You're number 2, right, Anthony? Okay, so number 2, you're gonna be here. Number 2. So you're number 3, right place? 3? Okay, so 3 will be here with Jorge. Thank you. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you're good there. So number 3, who else is number 3? Okay. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna have 7 words here. And you guys gonna be fishing the words. So number 1, group number 1. What you guys can do, you guys can make a circle, because you guys gonna be interacting with each other. So make a circle. Sabrina, you can come over here, and I'm gonna leave this envelope here. So one of you is gonna assign to pick one vocabulary word. So make sure who's gonna be the person who's gonna pick the vocabulary word. So I'm gonna have there are 7 words right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's see number 2. So I'm gonna leave the envelope here. And now number 3. I'm gonna put the 7 words here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here's the envelope for number 3. Okay, so do we have do you know who's gonna be picking the words? Are you gonna be doing that for number 1, Nelsie? Okay, what about group number 2? Do we have any volunteer? You wanna do for number 2, Carolina? Okay, so I want you also to try to make a circle. So you can probably sit in here since you're in group number 2. Okay, so you can sit here. And then you're number 3, right? So Jorge, what you can do, you can sit in front of, no, but it's gonna be, then it's your good place, just for Anthony, oh yeah, Jorge.